So here is another question on conditions for solvability of linear equations in two variables. So here it is given, find the values of k for which the given system of linear equations has no solution. The equations are kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 2, 12x plus ky is equal to k. So first we have to write the equations in the standard form, which is kx plus 3y minus k minus 2 is equal to 0 and 12x plus ky minus k is equal to 0. Okay. Now the values of the coefficients and constants, a1 is equal to k, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus k minus 2. Here a2 is equal to 12, b2 is equal to k, c2 is equal to minus k. Okay. Now the condition for no solution is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for no solution. So as per this condition, the ratios k by 12, it should be equal to 3 by k but not equal to minus k minus 2 by minus k. So first this one, k by 12 should be equal to 3 by k. That implies k square is equal to 12 into 3, which is equal to 36. That implies k is plus minus 6. That is either minus 6 or plus 6. The value can be either minus 6 or plus 6. Okay. So this is not final. Now we have to confirm it with the second. So the second condition is this 3 by k should not be equal to minus k minus 2 by minus k. So 3 by k should not be equal to, minus minus will get cancelled, so it is k minus 2 by k, or that implies k into k minus 2 should not be equal to 3k. Okay, this, or that implies k square minus 2k should not be equal to 3k, or that implies k square minus 5k should not be equal to 0. That implies k into k minus 5 should not be equal to 0. That implies k should not be equal to 0 and k should not be equal to 5. Now both minus 6 and plus 6, they satisfy this condition. So if we, no, this is the thing, okay, k should not be equal to 0, k should not be equal to 5. Now in either case, minus 6 or plus 6, it is not equal to 0, it is not equal to 5. So both these things, both these values, minus 6 and plus 6, they are satisfying. Okay, so the value of k can be for both k equals to minus 6 and k equals to plus 6. The system of equations, system of linear equations in two variables, they have no solution. Okay, because both of them are satisfying the condition, the two conditions. So here you should not directly write that k is equal to -6 or plus 6. Here you have to match it with the second part as well, which is we have to compare a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Also b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So all the conditions should be satisfied. So here we checked it. From the first we got the value of k, the possibility of values of k is -6 and +6. Okay, then from the second condition, that is b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, we matched the two conditions which are satisfying both the conditions. So from that we got that in either case, when the k value of k is -6 or the value of k is +6, it is not equal to 0, it is not equal to 5. So both are satisfying. So both -6 and +6 values of k, for them the system of linear equations in two variables will have no solution. Okay. So here is another question on conditions for solvability of linear equations in two variables. So it is given, for what value of k does the system of equations given by x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0 will have a unique solution, no solution, and then infinitely many solutions. So first we have to write the equations in the standard form. So it is x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 5x plus ky plus 7, which is already in standard form in this one. So this is equal to 0. The values of the coefficients and constants, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to -3. Here a2 is equal to 5, b2 is equal to k, c2 is equal to +7. Okay, so first is for a unique solution. So for a unique solution, the condition is a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Okay, so here a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 5, b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by k. So as per this condition, 1 by 5 should not be equal to 2 by k, or k cross multiplying should not be equal to 10. So what does it mean? That for all real values of k other than +10, the above system of equations will have a unique solution. The only value which does not satisfy it is k is equal to 10. For all other values other than k is equal to 10, the above system of equations will have a unique solution. So for a unique solution, k should not be equal to 10. Then for no solution, second bit, no solution. So here for no solution, the condition is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should not be equal to c1 by c2. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So Here A1 by A2 we have already got. A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 5. B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by K. C1 by C2, that will be equal to how much? Minus 3 by 7. Okay, minus 3 by 7. Now from here, from this 2, we have A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So this first part of this condition for no solution, that is satisfied. A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Now we have to compare A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and see for what value of K A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2. Because if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, then automatically B1 by B2 will also be not equal to C1 by C2, because A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So for A1 by A2 to be equal to B1 by B2, 1 by 5 should be equal to 2 by K, or K will be equal to 10. Okay, so K is equal to 10. So now for infinitely many solutions, so for no solution K should be equal to 10. Now for infinitely many solutions, so the condition for infinitely many solution is A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2 should be equal to C1 by C2. Now A1 by A2, that is equal to 1 by 5, B1 by B2, that is equal to 2 by K, C1 by C2, that is equal to minus 3 by 7. Now if we compare A1 by A2 with C1 by C2, 1 by 5 is not equal to minus 3 by 7, or A1 by A2 is not equal to minus 3 by 7. So there is no need to find the value of K by comparing it with anything, because as A1 by A2 is not equal to minus 3 by 7, this condition will never be satisfied. So there is no such value of K for which the given system of equations will have infinitely many solutions. Why? Because A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So this is A1 by A2. By mistake I have written here minus 3 by 7. So here A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So as A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2, so this condition will never be satisfied for any value of K. So here there is no such value of K for which there are infinitely many solutions. So here we have evaluated the three conditions, the three cases for unique solution, for which K should not be equal to 10 for the given system of equation. For no solution, K should be equal to 10, and for infinitely many solution there is no value of K for which the given condition can be satisfied.